In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into your Zoho Mail account, whether you're signing in on a new device, helping a teammate, or just need a quick refresher. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly so you feel confident doing it on your own by the end. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, or any modern browser you like to use. In the address bar at the top of the window, type zoho.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Zoho's main homepage, which is where all of their different apps and services are listed, including Zoho Mail. Once the Zoho homepage loads, take a look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button or a link labeled Sign In. This is your gateway into all Zoho apps under your account, including Zoho Mail. Go ahead and click on the Sign In option. This will redirect you to Zoho's Sign In page. On the sign-in page, you'll see a field where you can enter your email address. This should be the email address that you used when you created your Zoho account, or the one provided to you by your organization if you're using Zoho Mail for work. Click into that email field, type in your full email address carefully, and then click the Next button. After you click Next, Zoho will usually prompt you to enter your password associated with that email address. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and any symbols. Passwords are case sensitive, so a small typo can prevent you from signing in. If you're on a personal trusted device, you can choose to let the browser remember your login so you don't have to type it every time. On shared or public computers, it's safer not to save your login information. Now, in some cases, instead of typing your Zoho email and password directly, you might prefer to sign in using another account you already have. Zoho supports sign-in with several popular providers. On the sign-in page, look for icons or buttons for Apple, Google, Yahoo, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Windows. If your Zoho account is linked to one of these services, you can simply click the appropriate button. For example, if you choose Google, a window may pop up asking you to select your Google account and confirm that you want to use it to sign into Zoho. The exact steps will vary slightly depending on which provider you select, but generally you'll either choose an existing account you're already logged into, or you'll enter that provider's username and password. Once you confirm, Zoho will log you in using that connection. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to your Zoho account dashboard or directly into Zoho Mail, depending on your settings. From there, you can start reading and sending emails as usual. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to go to Zoho's website, find the sign-in option, enter your email, and either log in with your password or use a connected account like Apple or Google to access your Zoho Mail.